All right, here we are, new Mac 36-inch SM36 sawmill. This one is the wide one. It'll cut the 36-inch wide plank. And I chose to put it right on the ground. I didn't want to buy the trailer because you have to lift all the logs that high to do anything with them. This is a temporary setup. I had a few trees that fell down in my yard through the hurricane it went through. So I'm trying to get my yard cleaned up. When I do that, I'm going to take this to my farm and add the extension. But we are just testing it out, and man, do I love it. Here's what we're doing. I have some ramps, old ramps I've had for years, just a little bit of flat metal bolted to the boards. They give enough of a slope that it's not too bad to roll a log up, but I want you to see how I'm getting my logs up. Now this is a 12-foot pine. Look how big this thing is. A little bit of perspective here. There you go. Not much, but a little perspective. It's a pretty big log. I've got a winch for a boat. It's a larger one than you would have for a John boat. It's geared. Has two sets of two places where you can turn it. I've got the reduced set on this, so it's not real hard to turn this thing. In the cable, the strap goes down. I try to put it on the top so that as it's moving, it's making the log roll toward me. I don't know how this is going to work out. I have a suspicion it's going to break my boards, but if it is, I'll go get new ones. Those are real old, but I'm not going to bore you with me winching this. I'll just show you how easy it is, and then I'm going to take my time winching it up. That's with one hand, and I'm sitting way behind it. And watch that log roll. I'm telling you, anybody can do this. If it doesn't break the board, it's going to be up there. And I've seen people that have put electric drills on a winch like this to move it up. We'll see how it works. Come on board. One on the right doesn't like the load. All right, come on, bad boy, get up here. Hold together. Oh, stay up. Come on, get up here. That's a one-hand winch, guys. I'm a little nervous there. I think I'm going to get the cant under it and push the big end up, because I don't want this to hit that frame and then spin off. It's right on the edge. And there we go. One monstrous log on the sawmill, one man. And listen, I'm 61.